everyone, I am Shwetamri Sharma from KMS Fashion. So today we are here with the topic fats to avoid. Thank you for liking the previous videos which are healthy fats. If you don't see that particular video, hit the I button and there you get the video. So today we are with the saturated as well as trans fats. Those are unhealthy fats to consume. So one more information that you can ask us or you can personally text us on Telegram, mail or WhatsApp number by getting all the 10 units of our NET exam. PDF notes are available in English. You can have live recorded classes for all the complete sessions and you can opt individual units also along with practice session questions, and practice questions we will provide till your exam. So if you have any query in particular unit also, then you can opt the single unit. You have to just do one thing, that raise your query in WhatsApp, Telegram or mail. So headed to our topic, that is fats to avoid, is saturated fat as well as trans fat. So firstly we will talk about saturated fats. Saturated fats are mainly found in foods that comes from animals such as meat and dairy. So saturated fats कौन सा होता है, जो एनिमल प्रोडक्ट से, एनिमल फूड से हमें मिलता है. बट दे कैन ऑल्सो बी फाउंड इन मोस्ट ऑफ द फ्राइड फूड्स. लेकिन जो हम ऑयल के अंदर फ्राई करते हैं उनके अंदर भी हमें मिलता है एंड सम प्री पैकेज्ड फूड्स के अंदर भी हमें मिलता है. सो सैचुरेटेड फैट is basically that we can find from animal as well as some of the packed foods. Saturated fats are unhealthy. Why they are unhealthy? Like we already talked about that unsaturated fats are healthier to eat. Why saturated are unhealthy? Because they increase LDL. What is LDL? So LDL is low density lipoprotein. What is this low density lipoprotein? So basically it is known as bad cholesterol. Okay, we get the questions like वो सीधा दे देते हैं LDL या HDL, but we are not be able to know the specific reason or specific full form. So LDL is your low density lipoprotein, that is bad cholesterol to use, and this increase the level in our body and increase the rate of heart disease. So high level of LDL cholesterol raise your risk for heart disease as well as your strokes. Many saturated fats are solid fats that you can see, such as the fat in meat. Like we can able to see the fat in meat, so that particular is solid fat. वो किस form में होता है? Solid में होता है, liquid form में नहीं होता. Now some of the examples, if we see that what fats are unhygienic to have. So high fat cheeses, जिसके अंदर चीज़ के अंदर ज़्यादा फैट हो, high fat cuts of meat, whole fat milk and cream, butter, ice cream and ice cream products, as well as palm and coconut oil. So these are unhygienic, these are unhealthy to intake. Next we have trans fat. What is trans fat? So trans fat is simply liquid oils turned into solid fats during food processing. So ये हमें पता चल गया है that अगर कोई भी liquid oil है और हम उस खाने की processing कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद हमने उसको solid form में turn किया है, that is our trans fat. They are also a small amount of trans fat that occur naturally in some of the meat. So मीट को भी जब हम प्रोसेस करते हैं, then we acquire both, saturated as well as trans fat in it. So it is more unhygienic to eat, more unhealthy to eat. And dairy products, but those found in processed foods tend to be most harmful to our health. One more thing, your trans fat is basically most, or we can say worst for our health. अगर हमें अपनी health अच्छी रखनी है, then we need not to take trans fat, because too much trans fat in your diet increase your risk of heart disease. आपका heart disease का risk increase कर देंगे. Okay, and also some of the health problems. So trans fats are made when food turn liquid oils into solid fats. So trans fats serve up a double whammy to your cholesterol. So they are double harmful for us by increasing low density lipoprotein, that is bad cholesterol, and decrease HDL, that is high density lipoprotein. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स हमारी हाई डेंसिटी लिपोप्रोटीन होनी चाहिए, दैट इज हेल्दी कोलेस्ट्रॉल होना चाहिए, बट ट्रांस फैट्स डू रिड्यूस इट. मतलब सैचुरेटेड फैट जस्ट प्रोड्यूस LDL, बट trans fat reduce HDL also. So in order to avoid trans fat, looks on natural nutrition label for ingredients such as partially hydrogenated. So what is partially hydrogenated basically? So these are something which are made when hydrogen is added to vegetable oil. So जब हम हाइड्रोजन को ऐड कर देते हैं अपने वेजिटेबल ऑयल में, हाइड्रोजन added in vegetable oil, then it is known as hydrogenation process. Why we do this thing? To increase the shelf life or flavor stability of the food. Okay, so in addition, look for trans fat in the nutritional information in products such as commercial baked cookies, crackers, pies and fried food. So here we can have or we can thought about that how much और कितने लेवल पे हमारा unhealthy है to have the saturated as well as trans fat. So guys, I hope you get the concept very much clear. If you like the video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon also, so that you get the further and future updates. As well as you can join our Telegram group so that you have some of the quiz questions regular basis, और वहाँ पर आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी और जितना भी कुछ हम एक्स्ट्रा आपको बताते हैं वो भी आप वहाँ से एक्वायर कर सकेंगे. टेक केयर, हैव अ नाइस टाइम, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, कीप लर्निंग, बाय बाय.